Okay, here we are. We have our two PC repairmen with us today, Nathan and Everett. And we've got a computer that's been giving us a little trouble. So you guys are going to fix this computer, right?
Yeah.
What do you think's wrong with it?
It won't work.
It won't work. Okay, so it's been giving us a lot of trouble lately, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what kind of tools do you guys use for PC repair?
Screwdriver.
And what else? What do you have in your hand? Hockey pucks. What kind of repairs? Is it going to be a wrist repair or a slap shot repair?
Both.
Both? Okay. What about we going to use any backhanders?
Yes.